That is a big gun. No shot. No, that's sick. Oh my god. Get the Glock. Yeah. I don't see it. Alright. Roll out, roll out. I died, yeah. I died, yeah. You're actually good kid, too. Oh no. Yeah. Oh my god, dude, look at this thing. Jesus. That is obnoxious gun. Dude, this rocket launcher is massive. Hold on. That is very odd.
Hey.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh. Oh, let's go. We got that waifu. Oh. So that was a couple of our waifu.
Holy shit, what the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know. I do not see a riot shield, no. What happened? I think that's what it is, yeah.
Echo's kind of
I
hard.
left my
Can't
wallet at home.
lie.
Yeah, just trying.
Quite hard to aim. Can't lie. Oh my god. Yeah, I guess with this too if I actually take time. Guys. I'm kind of curious to see if the backblast scales up with the Alright, I'm sorry, Mr. Scam. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay.
How the heck did you guys make your gun so big?
Are you ready? Science.
I'm gonna back up.
Oh, was it? Yeah, probably. It's probably just an auto.
Boom. You're a good sniper.
Okay.
Nice. I'm gonna stick it in there. That's what she said. Oh god. The giant.
Okay, do not put stims in the big thing. It kills you.
Cal anymore. I'm pretty sure this is a
Like,
150 cal. This is 150 cal.
Basically.
Let's see if the bipod worked without my secondary gun. Nope. Okay. Well. It's Players take damage beyond this point? Okay. Oh, that didn't work.
yeah, it's because
Yeah, the lens is so...
I don't even know where to grab it.
I love this so much just because he can supersize shit. Little laser too. Okay, I think this shit's hooked up. I'm gonna supersize it now. Wait, hold on. I want to see what happens if you shoot someone with a supersized AK.
I think it's probably the same thing, unfortunately.
The fucking. As soon as I touch the gun with the fucking AK, as soon as I touch the magazine against the. My hand does too. Look at my huge hand.
Oh, look at those magazines tiny. Oh,
My hand's supersized. I think. I don't know. I don't think it did. How the giant supersized guns don't push you back like 10 light years away is beyond my understanding. I'm gonna go see what happens. Wait, so are you fighting AI on the PvP battlefield, or is it players versus? Oh, that's pretty sick. Yeah, I thought it was like players versus players, but not like fucking bots. Yeah, I'm gonna see what happens. I know. It's so hard to reload this thing, so the slightest movement just fucking... Good thing I wore protection. How the supersized shotgun is only 10 feet away is beyond my understanding.
I think it's literally a liquid. Oh, that's yeah, I do see the big bullet. Oh my god, that is so bad. Do you see this then? The way.
I like how the bots have just realized they can't kill me, so they just focus on their gun on me, but they never actually shoot. I got my fucking super-sized double-barrel shotgun. They know they can't kill me, so they don't even try to fight me. Sorry about that. I like how no one hit me up to that point, and then the fucking bot just comes along and one-shots me in the face. Yeah, it's crazy. FAMAS. Fucking OP. Bro, a bot with a Chris Vector just fucking heads up. Oh, I guess that's it. I'm bringing the RPG in. And it's not gonna be a normal RPG. It's gonna be fucking supersized. They knew the consequences when they signed up for this. Kicking my ass. That fucking supersized the light minigun, it just fucking blew me up. I moved it slightly. No, what it did is it fucking like it just blew me up. Okay, yeah, maybe what you said is true. Maybe. Yeah. Fucking supersized magazine, it's just pulling it out. Look at it. Imagine you're just like, imagine like the FBI just raids your house with fucking like supersized weapons. They're just like, every time you fucking enter the house, every time they fucking shoot, it just blows a hole in your wall. I know, it's like a funny ass concept. Unique too, I don't see this in any other test apps. Get the fuck up. Get the fuck up. Well, I think when you're done supersized, you don't need to worry about it anymore. It's just gonna get worse. Bro, fucking the mini AK just fucking bot just blew me up as soon as I exited the place. Where's the knife at? I want to fucking supersize a knife. Oh. Why didn't you implement something to counter it? I didn't even know you were a fucking host. I didn't even know you were the creator either. Oh. 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 Supersized M1 Garand. Exactly. Every time, if the sounds were adjusted for the size, every time it goes ping, it would just go. Just fucking destroy everyone's eardrums. Yeah, the famous ones love headshots. Laser do what? Oh no, I don't think the I mean, I've gotten the lasers to I've gotten the modules to size it, but not like the entire laser. I'm a supersize a fucking minigun. Or rather, the light minigun. The light machine gun. Where the fuck are the light machine guns at? Oh. Supersized shotgun. Complete with an extendable stock that'll never fit your shoulder length. They have their schizophrenic medicines, bro. Oh, they're shooting each other, what the fuck? I think you should be able to shoot through the walls here, like the wooden walls. it's entertaining to just like bring in a fucking rocket launcher and blow everything up, and also yourself in progress. Oh no, I mean like I literally love just like running in there and just blowing everything up the fucking RPG. The rocket launcher sure doesn't like to kill things though. I'm kind of sad that the hide is an abandoned game mode because honestly it's really fun. I mean, zombies is kind of, oh yeah, the zombies is kind of fun, but like, I think the hide has like a fun little concept going. It's just kind of sad to see it like abandoned. Oh. Yeah, no one really plays anything that has that even like a variant of hide. Everyone just ignores it. But the entire thing is kind of fun. I don't know why people don't